the two founding directors of Mango Furniture Creations Limited, also known as Mango Crafts, based here in Kinmare in County Kerry. I became an entrepreneur because I wanted to do something creative in the furniture line. We wanted to create a furniture company that was totally different to everybody else, using organic solid slab materials imported from various different countries. I suppose I wanted to have the freedom and the creativity to be able to do my own thing, come up with my own ideas, and principally to be able to work for myself. Entrepreneur and a businessman, the biggest challenge I've faced over the last 18 years while we have been in business was the recession and crisis, global bank crisis of 2008. When the economy in Ireland really fell apart and we were struggling. We had 4 locations. We had to retrench out of 3 of those locations and close down 3 of the shops and retrench back to having just our workshop and our main principal shop here in Kinmare, to basically cut back the staffing and cut down everything, all the costs, cut it back as much as we could just to survive. That was a hugely educational time because we learned more what not to do than in the course of when we were doing what we had to do, especially in cost saving and things like that. So it was a very, I suppose, formative couple of years where after that time when the economy picked up again, that was the time when we then were ready to really get going when the economy started to grow again. 2008 recession, which was one of the greatest challenges we had. Of late, the COVID global pandemic and the Brexit problems have been 2 huge challenges, which I personally as an entrepreneur have adapted and evolved myself and the business to deal with Europe more and the UK less, because Ireland was always so dependent on the UK. That was a huge learning curve. We also closed down our UK operation as close to when the Brexit was coming to full term because it was just getting too difficult to deal with it. But the global pandemic in itself was a very eye-opening challenge because we had to move more onto online, and it's a difficult business to get ourselves across online, but we overcame those challenges by being smart. But the pandemic did make us rethink the way we did our business, and we're now conducting our business in a much better, more profitable, more efficient way than we ever did before. So the pandemic was actually a very good thing for us as a learning curve, and Brexit was also a very good thing for us as a learning curve. So overall, the challenges have made me a much better business person, a much more efficient business person, and probably a much happier business person. I thank you for your time.